Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I will be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test will be recorded. May I know your full name, please?
My full name is Naman Verma.
How may I call you?
You may call me by my first name Naman.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Yes, thank you so much. Where do you live?
Well, I live in a small town named Tohana, which is a quite beautiful town, and its district is Fatehbad, which lies in northern part of our India in state Haryana.
Do you study or work, Naman?
Well, I recently completed my senior secondary education, and currently I'm pursuing my further education in medical field.
Okay. Now few questions will be based on growing vegetables and fruits. Are you interested in growing vegetables and fruits?
To be very honest, I love to growing different type of veggies and fruits in my home. Actually, I have a small backyard in my home that I use for making some different type of veggies. Apart from it, it also enhances the beauty of my home.
Okay. Is growing vegetables popular in your country?
Without a second thought, yes, it's quite popular thing in my country because as we know, India is a diverse country, and every part of India have different type of their veggies and fruits. Apart from it, mostly the major part of GDP contribute with the help of our families, farmers, which grows veggies at their field.
Okay. Do many people grow vegetables in your city as well?
Well, according to me, yes, many people grow different type of vegetables and plants, and apart from it, some fruits at their home. As I mentioned earlier, it is a good source to uplift the beauty of their home.
Okay. Do you think it's very easy to grow vegetables?
Definitely not. It's not an easy task to develop or fully give nourishment to any plant because couple of months ago I tried to grow some plants in my home, but eventually I failed in it, and due to all this reason I don't think so that it's an easy task.
Okay. Should schools teach students how to grow vegetables?
Well, according to me, it's an interesting subject that if schools taught their children to grow different type of plants, and also it is a good thing that a student can learn these type of things, and also it enhance the love toward the nature.
Okay, great. So before proceeding further to this interview, here I would like to inform you at your IELTS partner platform, we are offering online classes for IELTS. Many students, they already have joined from different parts of India, not only from India but across the world. So many students, they join us from Canada, they join us from Australia, especially those who are looking forward to PR or work permit. So if you guys are planning to take IELTS, you are from India or any other part of the world, like from Canada, you're residing in UK, or you're living in Australia or Germany, then you can call us. You can directly write down WhatsApp message to us. The number is given in the description or in the pin comment, and I make sure that you will definitely get good band score because the classes are really wonderful. Previously, so many students received desired band score. So if you wish to, then you can. First of all, you can book a free demo class, and later on you can enroll in our online classes. Thank you. Okay, now few questions will be based on feeling bored. Do you think childhood is boring or adulthood is boring?
Well, according to my perspective, adulthood is more boring than childhood because in adulthood a person have a quite hectic schedule, and apart from it, it also have some more responsibility on their shoulders, and due to all this reason, adulthood is more.
Okay, what do you do when you feel bored?
Well, generally, I spend a lot of time on my phone when I feel quite bored. Apart from it, I also like to listen some music. Moreover, I spend some time with my friends when I feel bored.
Okay. When would you feel bored?
Well, to be very honest, it's quite much time when I feel bored, especially if there any nothing to do for me, or my phone battery drained up, and on this all occasion I feel quite bored.
Okay. Do you often feel bored?
No, I don't think so that I often feel bored, but some special occasion in which I have to, there is no work for me, as I mentioned earlier, that if my phone battery drained up, and this whole time I feel quite bored.
Now, few questions based on gifts. What gifts have you received recently?
Well, my elder brother gifted me a G-Shock watch, which is a quite amazing watch and have different type of features. And I love I love this watch very much.
Okay. Have you ever sent handmade gifts to others, Naman?
To be very honest, when I was in 8th class, I first time make some card to my grandmother. Actually, there was her 85th birthday, and on that time I make a special card for her and gifted him as her birthday gift.
Okay, so rather than saying on that time, at that time, on that time, it's wrong. Have you ever received a great gift, Naman?
Well, as I remember, one of my favorite uncle gifted me a leather bowl, which was signed by none other than Jasprit Bumrah, who is a quite famous person in our all over the globe because of its wonderful performance in cricket.
Okay. What do you consider when choosing a gift?
Well, according to me, I choose mainly two things. Firstly, I say what's the relation with me, my person. Apart from it, I also choose is there any special need for this gift and how he react or she react after granting this gift for me.
Okay. So thank you. This is end of the part one. Now I'm going to give you this cue card. If you wish to plan your answer, then you can make notes on this paper. You can use pen and paper for making notes. I'm giving you 1 minute to plan your answer, and you'll have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes. Okay, Naman, you will start speaking now.
Well, I have ample of friends, but only one of them is able to speak more than three languages, whose name is Piyush. Actually, I met Piyush when I was in 8th class, and after that, I completed my senior secondary education with him. And I remember when I was in 11th class, he always tried to announce me for my education, and also he always tried to learn some different type of languages, and I think which is a quite good thing. Moreover, he also liked some Japanese anime, which I think the main source of getting some Japanese information. Actually, he is quite good at Japanese language. Moreover, he tried to learn all this kind of stuff from different apps. Apart from it, he also likes some YouTube tutorials to learn all this Japanese language. Furthermore, if I describe about his ability, that he is quite able to grab new things quite clearly. Moreover, in the last, I would like to say that I am quite proud of my friend that he can speak more than three languages, which is quite rare thing in the globe. Also, I mentioned that he is a quite a kind person. That I also learned some different kind of words with him. That in Japanese, sayonara or arigato gozaimasu, which means thank you. And to do all this stuff, I love my friend so much, and I'm quite proud of him.
Okay. This is end of the cue card, and I'm going to ask some follow-up questions, and these questions will be based on the cue card. So, Naman, are there many people who can speak foreign languages in your country?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, as India is a diverse country in food and languages, every part of India have their own languages, and I think that is there are many multilingual people who like to speak different type of language. Apart from it, many adults like to learn different languages such as German or French, and they are mainly who like to pursue their further degree in Canada or Germany.
Okay. Does speaking other languages help at work?
Definitely, yes. Speaking different type of language may help a person in a such way that speaking such a different type of words in a corporate world enhance the confidence of a person within their members. Apart from it, it is a good source to make some new friends in their cooperation field, which is, I think, quite a good thing.
Okay. Do people learn any languages other than English?
Well, it totally depend on people choice if they want to learn. And yes, I think many people like to learn different languages because it's a good time to learn different type of languages. Well, according to me, the main language the people learn that which help them to getting PR in some abroad state countries, such as people like to learn French in the Canada to get PR and German in Germany. Yeah.
Okay. Why is it easier for children to learn new things rather than adults?
Well, it's an interesting question, but I think children learn all these new stuff and languages quite quicker than the adults because they have new freshly developed mind, due to which they grab things quicker than the adults. And due to all this kind of mind with this sharpness, they can able to get and access new information as compared to adults.
Okay. How do people learn new things?
Well, according to me, people learn new things via YouTube tutorials. Apart from it, they can hire some special teachers or join some institution. Moreover, they also go for some special one-on-one video call, as we know that technology develops in this era. And yes, this is all.
Okay. What is the most important thing for learning language in a well manner?
Well, according to me, the main thing is the discipline. If discipline is not be fully maintained, then a person cannot able to learn any language or anything in the world. Apart from it, the basic knowledge and grammatical knowledge of the field is a quite important thing while learning a new languages. And also one of the main thing that people can learn new language via talking to some natives or talking to via chat GPT or any AI source.
Okay. Thank you, Naman. Thank you so much. This is end of the test. Now, I would like to give the feedback for this interview. For this speaking, I am giving today 6.5 band score again. Here, I am not quite happy with your cue card answer, and this is for you, audience, too. If you are watching me and if you are following me, then I think this is useful because this is a very genuine feedback. And nowadays, computer delivered test is started, and speaking is most of the time online through VC video conferencing call. So be aware, you too, Naman, and all of my all of my followers, all of my subscribers, for you also. I'm giving 6.5 band because in the part one I am quite satisfied because it was really good, and you had done rare grammatical errors, no doubt, but it was still wonderful. You covered the answers, and you had great enthusiasm to speak. No doubt you had done some grammatical errors, but these were quite rare. So coming to the part two, first of all, you used a very wrong sentence. He used to enhance me for learning something. So this was quite wrong sentence. He used to motivate me to learn a new language. So instead, he could use the sentence. He used to motivate me for learning a new language. And above all, connectors, he had repeated one connector time and again and again. Apart from this, though there are so many connectors, Naman, which you could use, and this is for you too, there are so many connectors like moreover, additionally, furthermore, further, what can I say, I would like to add on by saying something. So there are so many connectors which you can use smartly as per the question, as per the bullet point. But here you had used only one connector, repeated again and again. Apart from this, so this is called repetition, and it will affect your band score in the final examination as it affected today. And you use very informal word, that is stuff, and in fact you use thrice stuff and again stuff and stuff. So at three places you use stuff word. This is not formal, first of all, and you cannot speak this word also. And for you guys, stuff word you cannot use in your speaking because this is not considered formal. So rest of the thing, like, you made end very well, it was good thing, but you could use more vocabulary words. As in the class, in day-to-day practice, we learn so many vocabulary words. So you, I think, because of this interview pressure, you forgot to use, and it may happen you two guys also. So practice, keep practicing every day with some of your friends or with native speakers or native like speakers or with your teachers, or you can take the help of AI tools as well, but do practice regularly so that you can avoid mistakes. Okay, Naman? So in terms of follow-up, I'm quite satisfied with this follow-up answers, but I highly recommend, try to give at least 2 to 3 examples in your follow-up questions, and try to make a sequence, like when you start giving answer or follow-up, firstly, then secondly, thirdly, last but not the least. In that way you could present your idea, and even this is for you too. When you are giving the answer of follow-up questions, then try to make a sequence. This is the first reason, secondly, thirdly, last but not the least, and add on some examples also during your speaking, some general examples, not the personal one. Okay, so in that way you definitely can get good band score. And Naman, I hope in the final examination you can get more than 6.5. All the best for that. My best wishes for you. Good luck. Thank you.